Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be making goat meat pepper soup. Goat meat pepper soup is one of the variations of pepper soup in Nigeria. Like other pepper soups, it's often spicy and satisfies the taste bud. You can't go wrong with goat meat pepper soup. The primary ingredient here is your goat meat, which is often chopped into tiny pieces to allow for easy cooking. Here in the pot, I already washed my goat meat and I'm about to add in my ginger paste and my garlic paste. So I'm gonna leave a full list of the ingredients in the description box below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So with each spice you add in, you want to give a good stir so that the spices are evenly distributed in the pot. So here I'm going in with my pepper. I'm using cayenne pepper and Scotch bonnet. I chopped my Scotch bonnet into tiny pieces. And I'm also careful not to make this too spicy because of my kids. Feel free to use as much pepper as your taste bud tolerates. So I'll just go ahead and give it a good mix. Okay, so I just added my salt. And so far, I'm yet to add in water because I want the goat meat to boil with its own water. That way, I'll get that typical goat meat flavor, and this will further enhance the taste of our pepper soup. So at this point, I'm just gonna cover the pot and leave to boil for like 10 minutes. Then I'll come back to it. At this point, I'll just go in with my water. You want to add enough water to properly get your meat cooked. And I'm leaving this on medium heat to cook. One thing about goat meat pepper soup is not just a dish, it is a cultural signature that is often associated with significant life events and celebrations in many West African cultures. It is commonly served to women who just gave birth or believed to be in recovery in order to boost their strength. And that's the locally made pepper soup spice. This is a blend of nutmeg and other locally sourced spices. It can be purchased in any African store near you. Our pepper soup is almost ready at this point. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the remaining two ingredients. That will be my seasoning cube. So I'll just crush that into the pot. Then lastly, I'm gonna go in with my scent leaf and allow it to boil for like 5 minutes. The moment I've been waiting for. So my pepper soup is all set. And did I mention you don't need oil to prepare your pepper soup? Yes, this is a no oil soup. You don't need oil to prepare your goat meat pepper soup. You can go ahead and eat this alone or choose any side dish of your choice. For me, I prefer my goat meat pepper soup with white rice. It hits the right button. You can go with hard-boiled plantain or any side dish of your choice at all. Go ahead and tell me in the comment section how would you like your goat meat pepper soup. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.